How to make money using Swagbucks. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make money using Swagbucks. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply go to swagbucks.com and you will land on this platform right here. Swagbucks is an online making money platform that allows you to earn different points, and you can earn gift cards, coupons, and much more. It is completely free platform that helps you make money through service. You can review videos, you can watch these little videos and make money, earn points, and also, search for the right deals. So let's get started with Swagbucks. You will have to sign up, of course. The signing up process is really easy. You can sign up with your email address, set up a reasonable password, or you can also sign up with your Google or Facebook account. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sign up with my Google account. If you are a complete beginner, then you can just sign up, or you can also sign in. Once you sign up for Swagbucks, this is where you will get. And now you can see I have different options to make money on Swagbucks. So the first option is take a survey. I can take a survey. I can earn 2 SB Swagbucks right here. Of course, 100 you can see right here. So 100 SB is going to be $1. 100 Swagbucks are equal to $1. So I can make 5 SB by taking this survey. I can make 2 SB by signing up. So I just signed up and I made 2 SB. Then we have earn 10% off for your life. This is like a referral program. Search engine. I can earn 20 SB in 10 seconds. Then I can answer a survey and earn 200 SB. So taking a survey which takes 120 seconds helps you make 200 SB. That means that I can make 100, you can see 100 SB is $1. So this survey will help me make $2. And if I take 5 surveys a day, I can make $10, and one survey is just 120 seconds. So that is how easy it is to make money on Swagbucks. Let's go ahead and explore them one by one. First, what I'm going to do is I will just click on this earn 5 SB option, and now it will take me to right here where I have to take a survey. Taking a survey is really easy. There is no limits or anything. So we just like enter our age and then we enter our gender. That's it. Then we will just have to enter few of the information when you were born. So I'm just gonna add any kind of, there you go, click on continue. This is the information that you just have to provide, and what I'm gonna do is I will just prefer not to say and continue. Now they will ask you a few of the questions just to give you a survey that's related to you. They don't give you a survey that you don't know or like that. So you will be able to just kind of like answer the questions. Now they're asking that what languages you can speak. So I'm just going to enter the languages that I can speak: English, Chinese, and some of the Arabic that I'm not just going to add. And then we're going to move on to the next question. How many people live in your household? So now you just have to answer the question. You get the point, right? You will just take a survey. Then we have a refer a friend, and I will be able to earn 10%. Click on refer to a friend, and then you will be able to invite your friends to Swagbucks. All I have to do is enter their email address, and I'm just going to enter an email address here. There you go. So you can see I have entered an email address right here, and I will be able to earn 10% of their earnings. Now, when somebody will join through my link, I will be able to make 100 SB as a bonus, and then I will also be able to make money. Whenever they will be making money, I will be getting 10% of that. So that is how we do it. And we can not only just invite our friends, we have a share your swag button referral. So we also have our share your swag button referral URL. I can click on copy from here. And now what I can do is I can add this referral code to my YouTube video, and I can just add that, you can go ahead, and I can also add this link in this video in the description. And what's going to happen is that it will actually help me make money So I can just go ahead and add this link in my description of this video, and many people watch the video. Like if I get 10 people to sign up for Swagbucks using this referral code, then I will be getting 10% off their earnings. And this is our main dashboard of Swagbucks, and you can see I have 7 SP. Like I just created this account and I have 7 SP in my account. Then we have rewards, and we also earn different rewards, and we can just simply go ahead and earn different rewards as well. Then we have shop option right here, discover and rewards. In discover we have discover home, so this is our home where we get different options to make money. Then we have default your search engine. This will help me make earn 20 SB. Let's click on this one and let me show you what we do on default search engine option. So default your search. All right, what we need to do is we just need to go to the browse address bar, edit search engines, enter the other search engine, scroll down to Swagbucks and have it over, make default on the right of the row. So we just need to make Swagbuck as our default, um, you know, so we just need to make Swagbuck as our default, search engine, and it will give us 20 SB. Very simple to do. Next we have answer a survey and 200 SB. Okay, I'm really excited about this one because this will help me make $2 in just 120 seconds, and I don't even have to do anything, just complete a survey. So you can see right here I have 7 SB right now. Let's go ahead and go to the answer right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and search for different surveys. Alright, so get free cards for answering surveys, and I will be earning take your first survey 5 SP in about 5 minutes. I'm gonna click on go now. I promise that I will be answering honestly. Click on continue, and it will take me to my survey. So again, we have the same survey that we were just doing earlier, and you can see how easy this survey is. You just have to answer what you do, what is your job, what's your age. You can also select the option prefer not to answer, and you make money with it. It's a really easy way to make money on Swagbuck. We can do surveys, we can there are other offers as well. So this is actually our home right here. Now we have all of the different options here. Next option is these special offers. Discover daily interest and earn up to 2 SB. The family safety membership. Okay, so if I get a membership, this is like a referral for this program right here, which is Life 360. So they're saying that if I go to this platform and I get their family safety membership, I will make 4,000 SB. 4,000 SB means $400. This is amazing. Then we have deposit $10. Now, if I deposit $10 to this app, I will be making 4,000 SB. Now 4,000 SB means $400. So I will be investing $10 and making 400. Then if I scroll down, we have this game. If I play this game, I will be making 200 SB. That is $200. Then we have this application. If we go to DoorDash and I sign up for DoorDash, then I will be able to make 6,500 SP, which is 650 USD. So this is how simple it is to make money with Swagbucks, guys. It's amazing. And then we have other shop and earn. So if I go through these referral links, we have Walmart, eBay, Amazon. Let's say that I want to buy something. I'm looking to buy something from Amazon. So I can just come to my Swagbucks and go through this link. I will be earning up to 4% of cash back, and I will also earn 4 SB per $1. So in this case, 4 SB is equal to $1. Similarly, on eBay, I will be earning 1% of cash back, where 1 SB is going to be $1. So we have others as well. You can just explore. There are hundreds of options here. We have hotels.com, Zappos, Shein, Amazon, eBay, Sephora. We have Dell, Nike, all of the different platforms are available here. We have different games to play for. We can play games and earn SP, and then we can make money. So I have made 7 SP right now. If I complete a survey, if I play a game, that's what I'm just gonna do now. I will sign up for this one right here, and I will earn 650 dollars by just signing up for this platform from here, and it's completely free. How to You can also get a daily bonus. If you go to daily bonus right here and you activate your daily bonus, it will give you a bonus of 30 SP, 80 SP, 82 SP, and you will be able to earn more SP. You can see I just got a daily bonus of 3 SP, and now I have increased my SP from 7 to 10. Of course, SP will give me $100. So you're just exploring Swagbucks and you're making money. So that's like crazy. Similarly, I can search for more surveys. We have rewards. I will be earning more and more rewards as I sign up and do more with Swagbucks. And that is how we can make money with Swagbucks. You can go to your profile and do more settings, such as redeem your SP. You can go ahead and activate your, of course, your payment method. You can also connect with your social media to do promotion and to add your links. If you are an influencer YouTuber, then you can use these links and add them in the description to make money. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to make money using Swagbucks. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.